Hey, Martin Jan here, and welcome to another episode of 9 Odd Sounds into the Blooper by Chase Bliss Audio. Blooper is a wonderful pedal, really deep. If you can see here, there are lots of dip switches which can do lots of craziness, even buttons on the bottom. It's a very deep pedal. It can do a lot, but what it excels at is sort of that processing of sound after it's recorded, and that's what I do a lot of in these videos. On with the sounds. If you don't want to miss out on future episodes, then click subscribe and hit that bell. Chase Bliss Audio did their own sort of manual video tutorial series, and I'll link the description below. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Welcome to Blooper, the bottomless looper. Within this little blue rectangle, there's an welcome to Blooper. Explore bottomless power comes in. Welcome to Blooper. This is